tudo que eu não sei sobre mim. Fez gostar dos anos que eu passei sozinho, procurando. Sei que você quer se aventurar por aí, mas eu quero que você fique um pouco aqui, pouco mais comigo. Pra que mudar? Pra que mudar se a gente tá? Você desmontou tudo que eu montei sobre mim. Fez pensar nos anos que eu passei sozinho, procurando. Sei que você quer se aventurar por aí, mas eu quero que você fique um pouco aqui, pouco mais comigo. Pra que mudar? Pra que mudar se a gente tá? Não vai mudar. Não vai. Não vai mudar. Não vai mudar. Não vai mudar. Não vai mudar. olhos da criança. A verdade mostra que o amor nos olhos da criança é muito mais fiel e generoso. A verdade mostra que o amor nos olhos da criança a verdade mostra que o amor nos olhos da criança a verdade mostra que o amor nos olhos da criança é muito mais fiel e generoso. É muito mais fiel, impetuoso. É que, mesmo que, com todo o poder da criança, fiel, generosa, impetuosa, mesmo com todo o poder da criança, se não for a mãe a conceber liberdade, a instruir o limite que o poder permite, o poder sobre o poder, a mãe e o filho. Muito, muito, muito mais. A verdade mostra que o amor nos olhos da criança é muito mais fiel e generoso. Impetuoso. A verdade mostra que o amor nos olhos da criança a verdade mostra que o amor nos olhos da criança é muito mais fiel e generoso. É muito mais fiel.
called the strength of the stars. This is no game of chances, so start to move. Just don't leave it too long.
long ago my heart and mind got together and designed the wonderful girl for me. Oh, what a fantasy. Though the idol of my heart can't be ordered a la carte, I wonder if she will be always a fantasy. Will I ever find the girl in my mind, the one who is my ideal? Maybe she's a dream, and yet she might be just around the corner, waiting for me. Will I recognize the light in her eyes that no other eyes reveal? Or will I pass her by and never even know that she was my
Yeah, this is the voice of FX Adventure. I hope you guys have been enjoying that tune. Me, I was enjoying it, I ain't gonna lie. Alright, we know what we are here for, so I don't need to say much. Just want to introduce news coming around here. Basically, obviously, on the chat you can see some write-ups there, and if you join the live streaming you would know how and when those guys came to the chat. But I want to bring your attention to the news basically. So two things are involved. Either we get a soft news, not those high impacting ones that can take us above where we want to be, then maybe somewhere close around there will be okay, so we can get our pullback quick for a buy entry. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a buy, but there are some levels I would want the market to take out before I can jump in on it. So let's see what the news is gonna do. Two things are involved. Either it breaks above, which is what we want, or the market will keep on selling off, which will mean we're not gonna jump on it because that's not where we want to go. So yeah, and looking like the market will buy. I don't know, considering the build up here. We can see this might be a double bottom here. Then if we're able to just take out at least the neck there, will be giving us a complete formation like this, double bottom, take out the neck, and up we go. And there are other liquidities lying above. If you look at the trend line, you can also see that. So, but let's see what the news is going to do. I think it's remaining less than 2 minutes for the news. It will be very interesting, and it's an important point for the buyers or for the bulls. The bears on the other side are trying their best. If you're shorting, you would be looking at this as a reversal to continue selling down, but let's see. The good thing is we are not yet in the market, so we have the opportunity to sit outside and watch what the news has for us. Until price goes the way we want it, that's when we can consider entering. There is high chances that this news might be a high impact news. I would have wanted to check it out. Let me see if I can get it from here. I think I should be able to get it from here. Yeah, core inflation, what do you call it? Core inflation rate coming up around that time. So we have less than 20 seconds to go now on the countdown. Right there on TradingView, you can see that. Let's see if news is going to go our direction. Okay, any move? Ooh, look at that. That was a buy. Bro, shit, bro. Look at that buy. Ooh, man. That's everything. That's all our TP there. I don't think that is making sense entering back. That's all our TP in one candle. Crazy. That didn't even give an opportunity for us to enter. There was no opportunity at all. Okay. So the big question now is, what do we do? And if there is still volume inside the market. An interesting game, right? Very interesting game. And some of you guys will not understand that I've been waiting for this for days. You know, it's been a long time. I had my setup complete. A couple of days now, only for news to just take everything in one move. Well, I was the one that's not. I just needed to follow my strategy, though. Let me remind myself of that. You know, because to be honest, if I entered early, I would be in this market, and that's still some real money be made. Well, all right. So what do we do? The big question. What do we do? For me, the ultimate TP is right there. We still have liquidity above to grab, but the heartbreaking thing is we did not enter before the news, or we did not get the setup before the news. Man, that's painful, man. Okay, but another thing I would have done is I don't like using 1 minute. I don't want to start introducing things now, because if I use 1 minute candle, I would have seen an entry, but I trade on 15 minutes, so there's no need to do that. So I'm just trying to see the decision I'm going to make now. So even if I'm going to enter this market, it will result in two things. I would have a bigger stop loss, which is what I wouldn't want. The juice lies in when your stop loss is reasonably okay based on the risk to reward you are aiming for. But based on where the market is now, I don't see much profit anymore. Because if you're aiming for your TP here, you see this is risk to reward is 1-to-1, and it's not worth the risk. Why would I be risking money just to get what I'm risking back? It's not a good market, because it means if you win, you're just winning what you risk. If you lose, you're losing the risk. I prefer something that is a multiplier. That way, the risk will worth it. So if you should aim for that, that means your entry will be around here for you to get a risk to reward of 1:2. Maybe the market might want to do that. That will be around this level there. Yeah. If you're aiming for that high TP there, you'll be aiming that the price should pull back down into this area here before you can go for another buy. But for me, I would say leave it alone. It's very heartbreaking. You won't get you. I don't think anybody will understand, because I really waited for this setup. But it is what it is. And let me even see. Assuming I traded with candle breakout, I would have been in the market before the news. Yeah. This is where I would have entered. I would have entered on that pullback, that first pullback here, and that would have been very juicy. Well, that's the advantage and disadvantages of news. If you enter it on time and it goes your direction, you would enjoy. You would make easy money. You don't have to wait for it. It's under minutes. You just take your money and go. And yeah, the reverse is still the case. If it goes against you, it's deadly. It can clean up your account in seconds. Well, all right. Let's see. The market is still trading down a little bit, which is okay. That's nice. So the question now is, should we go for a pending order? Do you want to take the risk? For me, I wouldn't want to take the risk anymore. But if you have balls enough, I can get you the price. Copy this. Oh man, like the entire thing we aimed for, I will call it the persistence. What's the grammar again? Joe, stubborn entry. Let me use the word stubborn. Damn, I hate missing entries that are very easy, and I cannot do anything, Sha. It's not like it gave out everything. It was so quick for us to grab. To be honest, there's no the entry in this market. I'm being quite honest with you guys. but I'm just writing this for the daredevils, which sometimes it works, you know. The daredevils, the guys that likes to take the risk. I'm not a risk taker. I manage risk. I don't like taking risk, I like managing them. Okay, as if you want it, there you have it. It's easy. The stop loss in pips is 25.5. Stop loss pips 25.5. Yeah, and you know the funny thing, the time market is sold into that area, people's order is already taken, and you can see is going back up. Where you would see the juice is if you go to 1 minute. That's why I said if I used 1 minute to trade this, maybe I would have had an entry, maybe, just maybe. What did I do now? What did I do? Okay, it's back in now. So this is like the 1 minute time frame, but all the drawings we had from the 15 minutes is still here. But you see on the 1 minute it gets bigger. There's no need to be here. I don't like looking at multiple time frames. I just like using what I want to use, and which is 15. Well, that's a missed entry, guys. I don't think I can say anything much more than that. Yeah, I thought the market would have, been kind of slow, so we can enter. But you see, the news there is the impact, and there is nothing left in this market, to be honest. You can enter if you want, but I wouldn't recommend that. So I'm just going to clean my chart. That was a missed entry. So the question now is, should I come up with strategies that can allow me to enter the market earlier? No, there is no need to change it. There is no need to change my strategy now. I'll stick to it. But guys, this market is going for, see the bigger picture. Let me show you another picture in case you guys don't know, but there is still liquidity lying above. My network is really poor. It's not loading up quick enough, and I hope it's not affecting the stream for you guys. My network is really, I don't know, my trading view is not loading up properly. This is money being, yeah, see the main TP, yeah, it's all the way up there. And it protected yesterday's low. I should have saw it. Oh, it's okay. Yeah, I can't see everything, but I honestly wish I had an entry on this market, because everything, see liquidity here. Liquidity is still above, like plenty. A lot of it is above there. Yeah, I see it above there. That's liquidity there. And see where the market is now. And if you look at the build up, you'll see that's exactly where it's going to. It's chasing this liquidity above there. I just feel yeah. Oh, it is what it is. There is no need to cry over spilled milk. That's a missed opportunity for me, to be honest. Maybe I would have entered earlier. I honestly wish I did. Because I saw the build up, a very nice accumulation that went on there. They manipulated down another internal, and that was I was just being silly, not silly. I was just being stubborn. You know, I had a set of rules I'm following, so I just didn't want to be flexible on it. Because if I was flexible on it, I would have entered on that first attempt here. Considering the fact that I would have news, which means news can move, really quick, but I thought about it, but I rather stick with my strategy rather. Yeah, it is what it is, man. I think that's it. This market is all good and gone, so there is not much need to be here. I would have wanted to take questions if you have any, but I don't think anybody here has any question per se, or hopefully I believe nobody has question. But if you have, use the comment section or the chat section. With that, I think we'll bring the stream to a close. It was a missed entry, it was painful. It pained me, but yeah, it is what it is. I'll see you guys tomorrow. We do this every time that we have a setup, so I will advise, if you're watching live, subscribe, turn on the notification so that you get notified anytime we have setup like this. And I intend to do this as long as I can, and I'll see you guys in my next live streaming, which is most likely going to be tomorrow morning and another one in the afternoon. Yeah, so I'll see you guys, and do have a wonderful day, guys. See you. Bye bye for now.